Hey, it's Chris again with Shields OKC Auto Direct, and this is a 2013 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Looking at this truck, right away you'll notice this great white pearl color on it. I'm not sure what the OEM name for it is. I know some of them are Blizzard Pearl. I don't believe that's what GMC calls it. But just moving from the front, of course you have that Denali grille right up front, your front retrieval hooks, and your front fog lights. This truck is going to come with a 20-inch wheel. Your outside mirrors are going to be auto power folding, auto dimming, and heated. Denali is also going to have those great chrome accents you have from the wheel to the running board, to the door trim, to the door handles. You know, gives the truck a great look. You're also going to have a hard bed cover on here. Moving around to the rear, you are going to see your rear parking sensors. You have your backup camera. This truck's also going to have your trailer and towing package on it. Overall, for a 2013, this is a great looking vehicle. And now that we've seen the outside of it, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. So this Denali is going to have your keyless entry along with your remote start. Of course, power locks and windows. You can see your memory settings on your driver's seat. As we look inside, you do have this beautiful tan leather interior. Of course, power seats, both driver and passenger. Looking over at the dash, you're going to have your trailer brake controller. And as we move over to the steering wheel, you're going to notice your cruise control settings, along with your heated wheel on the left. And as you go over to the right, of course, your audio controls, as well as your Bluetooth controls for your phone. Moving right over to the dash, you are going to have your AM, FM, XM radio. It's also going to come with a 6-disc in-dash CD changer. Sure, dual climate control for the front of your vehicle. And looking down just a little bit further, we're going to have our power adjustable pedals, our parking sensors, which you can turn off if you would like, and your traction control, which you can turn on or off. Moving down the console, you do have this wood grain accent to the interior. And as you move over and look inside, you have a lot of storage space inside here. And if you remove this tray, the console is quite deep, can store a lot of stuff in it. And you will also see your auxiliary and USB inputs for the car. The rear view mirror in here is auto dimming. You do have your OnStar controls right there as well. As you look up a little bit further, this truck does have a power moonroof in it as well. There's a quick look into the rear of the vehicle. Very well taken care of. Plenty of space inside here, no matter how far back or how close the front seats are set. Back of the rear console, you do have the fold down here with the cup holders for the rear. And also, of course, the rear fold down armrests with cup holders in it also. And now with a quick look at the 2013 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. If you have any additional questions or need information, please visit us on the web at shieldsokcautodirect.com or give us a call at 405-600-6707.